What if I told you you don't need $10,000, not even $5,000, to start building real wealth in 2026? All you need is $1,000. But here's the problem. Most beginners waste it. They chase trends, follow hype, and end up with nothing. Let's make sure that's not you. In this video, I'll show you 5 smart investments you can start with $1,000 in the United States, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's start with the safest option. Number 1, S&P 500 index funds. Instead of picking one company, you invest in the top 500 companies in the US all at once. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all in one place. Historically, this grows around 8 to 10% per year. That means your $1,000 can quietly grow year after year without you doing anything. Simple, safe, powerful. Number 2, dividend stocks. Now, imagine getting paid just for owning stocks. That's exactly what dividend investing is. Companies share their profits with you every few months. It's like owning a rental property, but without tenants, repairs, or stress. Your money starts working for you. Number 3, investing in skills. This is the most underrated investment, and honestly, the most powerful. You can use that $1,000 to learn a high-income skill. Digital marketing, video editing, copywriting, AI tools. One skill can generate you $1,000 per month, or even more. No stock, no crypto can guarantee that kind of return. Number 4, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Think real estate is only for rich people? Not anymore. With REITs, you can invest in large properties like shopping malls, offices, and apartments with just a few $100s. And yes, they also pay you income. No tenants, no maintenance, just returns. And finally, number 5, AI and tech stocks. This is where the future is being built. Artificial intelligence, automation, innovation. These sectors have massive growth potential. But remember, higher reward comes with higher risk. Only invest what you're comfortable losing. Now, here's the real secret. Don't put all your money in one place. Split your $1,000 across different investments. That's how smart investors reduce risk and grow consistently. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much you start with. It's about starting early and staying consistent. Your future self will thank you. So the real question is, what are you going to do with your first $1,000?